Unleash the power of your Speedlight on your Canon Eos RP, ditching the diffuser to capture striking images with raw, direct flash. First, let's get your Speedlight mounted. Simply slide the foot of your Speedlight onto the hot shoe of your Canon Eos RP, ensuring it locks securely into place. Now, let's talk settings on your camera. All the Speedlight controls are primarily on the flash unit itself. Your camera's flash settings menu can offer some control over flash exposure compensation, if needed. While we're not using a diffuser, understanding your flash's power output is key. On your Speedlight itself, you'll want to switch to manual flash mode. This gives you complete control. Start with a lower power setting, perhaps 1/16 or 1/32, and adjust based on your scene. Direct flash, pointing straight forward, creates a very specific look. It's hard-hitting, with high contrast and strong shadows. This is perfect for creating dramatic, punchy images, especially in low-light situations where you need quick, powerful illumination. But direct isn't your only option. Without a diffuser, try tilting the Speedlight head upwards to bounce the light off a white ceiling or a nearby wall. This softens the light considerably, creating a more flattering and diffused effect. Even without a dedicated diffuser attachment, experiment with different angles to see how the light wraps around your subject. For really creative lighting, try turning the Speedlight sideways or even to the back of your subject. This creates rim lighting, separating your subject from the background and adding a sense of depth and dimension. Remember to adjust your flash power accordingly as the light source is further away. Don't be afraid to get creative with positioning. You can angle the flash to create specular highlights, catch lights in the eyes, or even to accent textures in your scene. The key is to observe how the light falls and to use your Speedlight's manual control to adjust the intensity and direction. Mastering your Speedlight without a diffuser opens up a world of creative possibilities, allowing you to shape light and elevate your photography with dramatic flair and precise control.